Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. If you could please hit that subscribe button down below, that will help me a lot. I will greatly appreciate it. And also, while you're down there, go ahead and press that little bell button so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Today's recipe is one of the recipes that I absolutely love, especially for these days, especially for this spring day that feels like a summer day. We're up in the hundreds right now and it is barely spring. I don't understand why it's so hot. I decided to make cocktail de camarón. Now this recipe is the way my mom makes cocktail de camarón and it's absolutely delicious. Obviously, hello, she's my mom. But I mean, if you guys do it differently or you guys know a different way, go ahead and, let me know. I love seeing new recipes or different ways to make the same recipe. I love seeing all that. So this is what we're gonna be making today. It looks so yummy. It smells delicious. My whole house smells delicious. This smells delicious. It is so delicious. If you guys want to know how to make this beauty right here, keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is what we need for today's recipe. I have here some tomatoes, some serrano peppers, avocados, onions, cilantro, garlic, celery. I have some tostadas, some saladitas, which are just like crackers, salted crackers. Right here I have 2 pounds. This is about 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds of headless shrimp. And then I have like about a handful of head-on shrimp. I also have some salt and some shrimp flavored bouillon. They usually come in little squares, but I could not find the little squares. I just found this little jar bucket thing. So this is what we're going to be using to season the water. Things first, you guys know that on this channel we like to prep our food before we actually cook everything. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and cut the cilantro, the tomatoes, the serranos, and all that, and then cut it into your desired shape, square, size, however. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to go ahead and wash my shrimp. You could go ahead and devein your shrimp with like a little toothpick or, anything. I mean, it's really much your preference. I've ate cocktail de camarón without cleaning the little thing off. I ate it with cleaning the little thing off. I mean, to each their own, so let's just go ahead and do that. Clean your things to your liking, wash your things to your liking. Alright guys, so this is what I have going on here. I have a little bit of everything that I just said. Onion, cilantro, tomato, a little bit of serrano, avocado, some lime. And I put it in this because I want to be, bougie, but you can go ahead and put it wherever you want. We're going to go ahead and set this aside and let's go ahead and start making the caldo for the camarones. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put water in our pot. This is the biggest pot that I have. So we're gonna go ahead and put some water in there. This is about 1 liter of water. A little bit, like half a liter. Just like that. 1.5 liters of water. I'm gonna let this boil. I'm gonna put some salt in it. Put about that much salt. It'll boil. Once this boils, we're gonna add our vegetables, which are these right here. But first, we let this boil. Okay guys, so our water has been boiling now. Add 1 celery stalk. I just cut it into 3 pieces. We're gonna blend it. I have here 2 serranos. If you don't want serranos, don't add your serranos. This is a little bit less than half an onion. 2 tomatoes. I have here about 3 garlic cloves. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of that shrimp bouillon. I'm gonna go ahead and add about, I think that's like a tablespoon. I'm gonna add that and a little bit more. So just like that, just to give it a little good flavor. Just like that. We're gonna leave it like that until all those aromas blend together. I'm gonna leave it for about 10-15 minutes. So once you guys see that everything's cooked already, your celery, your onion, your tomato, your serranos, we're gonna go ahead and take it out, put it in the blender, and we're gonna blend. To help this blend, I'm just going to add a little bit of the caldito that we have right here. just like this, just to help it blend. So let's just go ahead and blend it. I'm gonna leave it blend until everything, so like about 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna incorporate all this back into our caldo. We're gonna strain it. We're gonna wait for it to boil. So add our camarones. This is a perfect time to go ahead and taste if it's actually good in salt. Our caldo is now boiling. We're gonna go ahead and uncover so it's boiling. Also, I do have some ice water right next to the stove just because this is gonna help the shrimp stop from cooking once I take it out. Make sure you have your strainer or whatever you're gonna use to take out the shrimp in there for about a minute, I want to say, if not less. Actually, like leaving the shrimp like this and then peeling them after, like once they're done cooking. You could go ahead and peel them and then put them in your pot. I mean, remember, I'm just showing you guys how I make it. You guys can make the recipe your own. Okay, so right here, my shrimp are ready to get taken out. As you can see, they're a nice little pink color. Super delicious, look at that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Get your strainer or whatever you're gonna take it out with, your spoon, whatever it is. Go ahead and scoop it out. And then we're gonna put it in the ice water, just so it could stop cooking. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and peel our shrimp so we could get it ready for when we start eating. To peel the shrimp, it's like the easiest thing. You just go ahead and take off the little feet here. Like that. That brings the whole cascara, that brings the whole, just like this. And then to take off the tail, you just pinch it and it comes off. Here we have all the skin of the shrimp. Finish peeling them. So now we're gonna go ahead and serve. Your favorite bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and use this copa right here. I'm gonna add some shrimp to it. I'm gonna add some caldo to it as well. Add your veggies to your liking. Cilantro, some onion, just like this. Some tomato. You could add as much or as little as you want. We're gonna add some avocado. We're gonna go right on the top right here. Oh my gosh, how delicious does this look. And obviously, if you want a little heat, go ahead and add some serranos on there. We're gonna go and hit it with some lime. Look at that. And we're gonna hit it with some ketchup. As much or as little as you want. Mix this all up. And there you guys go. Un cóctel de camarón. It looks so delicious and it smells great. I don't know how to hold this. It's so heavy. Guys, this is the finished product. Now let's go ahead and give it a little taste. Pasado de lanza. I definitely recommend you guys making it. It is so delicious. That is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. That's where all my recipes go up. Obviously, first they go up on TikTok, as you guys know, then Instagram, then after that, Facebook, and lastly, Snapchat. And of course, as you guys know, Food Fridays on YouTube. So I'll leave everything down in the description below so it could be easier for you and me to become friends. Duh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!